ANDELI Intelligent LCD Screen Aluminum Welding Machine TIG-250PP Ultra Clear LCD Screen with step-less knob adjustment. Welding mode and parameters are clearly displayed. The machine has built-in PFC power factor correction function. When the input voltage becomes low or unstable, it would automatically correct to normal output voltage. The welding torch adopts a 12-core remote control torch. The torch handle can directly adjust the frequency and voltage. It can also be equipped with a wireless foot switch. The electric current varies with the stepping depth, changes in real time. Standardly equipped American plug or European plug. There are 3 built-in waveform outputs in AC argon arc welding mode: square wave, sine wave, triangle wave. DC argon arc welding mode plus argon arc welding mode. AC manual welding mode, DC manual welding mode, plus manual welding mode. ANDELI welding machine, new era of intelligent welding.